Hi friends! Today we are talking about a new sight word. Remember, a sight word is a word that you use your eyesight to look at the word and simply remember what it says. We want to memorize these words because sight words are words that you use all the time. Now, some sight words have more than one letter, but some sight words can actually have just one letter. That's right. And today, the sight word we are learning has just one letter, and that letter is I. Good job. So the sight word with the letter I, let's talk about what it says. Now, we know that I says its short sound, I, like inchworm, but there's another sound that we learned I can make. Yeah, the long sound for I, which is I. I says its name in the long sound, I like ice cream. And it turns out that our new sight word today with the letter I simply says that. I. So what is this sight word? I. Good job. Now, one more thing we need to know is that when I is a word in a sentence, it always is a capital letter. If it's at the beginning, middle, or end of the sentence, it's still a capital letter. So if you saw an I that's alone, is that the way you would write the sight word I? No, let's cross that off. This is how you write the sight word I. Say I. Good job. Now, some examples of I in a word would be that I am a teacher, or my dad and I went on a walk. Let's look at some sentences together. This sentence says, I am glad. Does the I say I? Is it I am glad? No, that sounds silly. It's I am glad. Can you point to the sight word I? Good job. Here it is. I am glad. Now this I is capital because it's at the beginning of the sentence, but even if it was somewhere else in the sentence, it would still be capital because the sight word I is always a capital letter, not a little letter. Let's talk about one more sentence. This says, Pat and I had fun. Is it Pat and I had fun? No, it's Pat and I had fun. Can you point to the sight word I in this sentence? There it is. Pat and I had fun. So, you've learned a new sight word. The sight word that has the letter I is always capital, and it always says its long sound I. So what is this sight word? I. Good job. Well, I loved learning with you today. Until next time.